Hey everybody, this is Kevin at Woodcraft, here to tell you about the new Bessey gear clamps. These come in 6, 12, 18, and 24 inch with a 2 and 3/8 inch throat depth, and all have 450 pounds of clamping force. What makes them different is the unique gearing design, separating the spindle and the handle, allowing them to get into funky, hard to reach places. They also come with a nice ergonomic quick release handle that makes it really easy to make large adjustments. And like all Bessey products, they come with a limited lifetime warranty. We've all run into the issue when you're trying to clamp something close to your bench, like a panel or cutting board. The older F-style clamps just don't cut it. You can't get a good grip on the handle. Trying to use your fingertips, you just can't get a lot of force. With Bessey's gear clamps, easy to use. You can get in there, and the handle's up top here, so you can really crank on it and get all the force you need. To check these out, visit your local Woodcraft store or head online to woodcraft.com.